Good afternoon. How are you? My family is very creative and with many qualities. One day I asked my sister, "Why don't you leave me here? You finish your painting?" "I have fantastic ideas." She said, "Yeah, but help me with your friends to finish in 3 days. You will like in the perfect." What a perfect afternoon. The days passed and he met us and said, "I really like it." At that moment, we created our decoration company, called "Your House is Beautiful." When we finished, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Surprise! Thank you very much.